Guys, we're here in Geiranger, Norway. You can see. Geiranger, Norway, with the fjords. Seawalk and we're from the cruise ship using a tender boat to disembark passengers there. See? The view is very good here. You see mountains and nice. This is my colleague from Venezuela. It's raining, and that's our ship. The ferry leaving. We have Avila Hotel, Geiranger. House in top of the hill. Very beautiful place.